Coconut oil has been around for a very long time, that is used in many different ways. It helps heal, nourish, and there are many more ways. Coconut oil is an all-time favorite. The unique combination of fatty acids in coconut oil may have positive effects on your health. Here are some reasons why coconut oil is amazing for you. Welcome to the Ardent Blogger, a channel for all the curiosity lovers who want to know something different every day. Today, we are back with an amazing video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you are missing out a lot. Healthy fatty acids. Coconut oil is without a doubt high in saturated fats, but what this does is encourage your body to burn more fat. When ingested, it provides a quick burst of energy for your brain and body to work on. It will even raise cholesterol in your blood, which may help with actually reducing heart disease risk. Digestion. If you ever felt your tummy feel bloated and uncomfortable from the foods you eat, then coconut oil may be the perfect thing you need to use. What it does is help with food digestion so that the vitamins that your body is trying to retain will actually be absorbed into the body faster and more efficiently. Coconut oil can even help with eliminating the toxins that sit inside our digestive systems. It will fight anything that is in our stomach and will soothe inflammation and helps prevent stomach ulcers. Moisturizer. Having a long-lasting moisturizer may seem like a dream, but with coconut oil, it is nothing but reality. When applied, it leaves the skin feeling absolutely amazing for 24 hours at least. It protects the body by holding in the moisture to prevent any dryness from actually happening. The only thing we would not recommend would be to put coconut oil on the face, especially if you are acne prone. It can have the tendency to clog the pores, but other than that, you can use it on your body. Eczema relief. As said previously, coconut oil keeps in the moisture of the body. If you have eczema that is itchy and uncomfortable, then using this oil will help take that feeling away. Fortunately enough, it does cure eczema, but you will feel 20 times better if you use it daily. Makeup remover. There have been nights when you need something extra to get off that annoying mascara or stained lipstick off the face. Coconut oil can definitely help in that. It is great because it breaks down the lipid-soluble impurities such as makeup and sebum. And if you have oily skin, this is even better for you. Since oily skin has sebum, it causes the skin to naturally become extra oily. To reduce that, coconut oil can pull the excess sebum and oil from the face. You are able to wear your makeup without the fear that you will melt it off. If you are going to use coconut oil for this reason, we recommend that you use a cleanser afterward to really get a deep cleanse. You wouldn't want to have clogged pores filled with oil and dirt, would you? Deep conditioner. Coconut oil can restore and help your hair tremendously. If you use heat, color, or you are just in the sun, then you should use coconut oil. It retains moisture in the hair. You can either use it as a leave-in conditioner or a deep conditioner. If you want to try a deep conditioner, we recommend heating up your coconut oil and applying it to dry hair before you shampoo and condition it. Leave it on for at least 1 hour. Wash it out and be impressed with how soft it feels and how beautiful it looks. This will be your holy grail for life afterward. Brush cleaner. Do you love makeup and have makeup brushes beyond compare? Well, then you probably also need to give them a wash to keep the bacteria from growing on them. Coconut oil is a great alternative to brush cleaner if you are looking to save money and know exactly what you are cleaning your brushes with. We recommend mixing the oil and soap together to clean your brushes. The reason why we wouldn't just recommend using a bar of soap is that coconut oil has the ability to break down makeup in a way that soap does not leave your brushes with anything but sparkly clean. Oil pulling. If you haven't heard about oil pulling, then this is something to know. Oil pulling is where you put oil, such as coconut oil, in the mouth and swish it around for 10 minutes. You should only do a tablespoon of the oil, but do not swallow it. Once you are done, you want to spit it out into the trash. Do not spit it out into the sink or toilet, because it could clog them, and we don't want that. By swishing around oil in your mouth, you are killing any bacteria that sits in your mouth daily. It pulls it right out and leaves no traces of it. It helps even with preventing bad breath and helps with not getting cavities. Doing this daily will improve your dental hygiene incredibly. We are glad you have made till the end. We have handpicked the videos which we recommend you watch next. Feel free to talk to us on our social media channels or on our website theardentblogger.com about any recommendations or suggestions.